Hi guys, welcome back again to David's tutorial, and today we will compare the Envato and Sora of which AI tool is better.
Here is the both comparison of the Envato AI and the Sora by OpenAI. So both of them uses AI, but they serve different purposes. So let's start with Envato AI. It focuses on creative assets like logos, videos, and graphics. It has a base for designers, marketers, and content creators. It also integrates with tools like Placeit and Envato Elements. It generates visuals quickly but less flexibility in storytelling. Let us head on with the Sora. So Sora is specializes in AI generated video from text. It is ideal for filmmakers, educators, and storytellers. Offers cinematic quality, scene transition, and dynamic action. It's still in limited access, but it is pretty revolutionary for video production. So the bottom line for this is that you need to use the Envato AI for fast design content. Choose Sora for advanced realistic video creation from a